Guys, in this video, we're pouring a 40 by 40 slab with 6 concrete blocks for the second Connex box. I worked on this pad for about 8 months using select fill, packing it in with a skid steer. All right, we're getting there. We got a rebar, getting our beams dug. They're 1 foot wide by 2 foot tall. And then we're gonna put a big plus in the middle. It's a 40 by 40 with basically 20 foot by 20 foot sections. This is all hand dug, which is crazy. These guys are hard workers, and I'm gonna try using the stump bucket and see if we can't finish this beam out and then do this one across here without collapsing other beams. As you can tell right away, this method was picking up big clumps of ground, so we ended up deciding a different route, going to the side, kind of chopping it straight down and then come back and scooping it out. That ended up working a whole lot better. Now we're laying some 2-inch conduit across the 40-foot slab so we can put power to the other Connex box, because the first one already has power to it. All right, we got our beams built. Doing out a 5/8 rebar. That's 3 on the bottom. This is the bottom here, that's the side, and 3 on the top. And I think that's half or 3/8 there. Got the conduit ran so we can run power to the other box that's going to be over there. Got a few beams left, but everything's looking really good. This here, we're going to put an 18-inch wide by 6-inch deep kind of form, so it'll pour and be support here in the middle of the box. And we've chamfered most of the corners here per what's required on a house pad, so you don't have any stress risers. This is hadn't been chamfered yet, and that's chamfered there. And they're doing 6-sack, which is about 4,000 pounds, maybe a little more, the concrete, so this thing ought to be pretty stout. All right, we got pretty much everything almost completed. These are the little blocks for the Connex box. We got 6 of them. We got lots of metal in here. We're gonna come and put rebar and connect those blocks. 1 by 2 beams with a chamfer. Still got to put little concrete blocks up under this mat. We did 12-inch spacing. This is the weld plates. So putting the J-bolts in, letting 1.5 inches stick up. And once we remove this piece of wood, I'll be able to bolt my plate down. That's what I was making earlier. And this one, because we don't have a form to bolt it to or to screw it to, went ahead and just brought the plate here, and we'll shim it up or wire tie it to the rebar. We also drilled into the lift kit blocks that I made in an earlier video and put some rebar to tie the whole slab in. Turned out pretty nice. We got on this 20 foot, we got 3-inch drop. And 3-inch drop here, you can kind of see it there on the Connex box. Did a really nice job.